Hello dear students, welcome to our chemistry adventure. Today we are driving into the fascinating world of oxidation and reduction, two essential processes that drive countless reactions in nature and technology. At its core, you can say that oxidation is about losing electrons, while reduction is about gaining them. Together they form a crucial partnership known as redox reactions. From powering our devices to fueling our cars, redox reactions are everywhere. So let's unravel these concepts step by step and see how they shape our world. So let's see what is there for you in the video. In the very first slide, you can see that there is the basic definition of oxidation and reduction. OIL stands for oxidation is the loss of electrons. RIG stands for reduction is the gain of electrons. So you can see oxidation is the gain of oxygen, removal of hydrogen and the loss of electrons. And the same way reduction is the gain of hydrogen, loss of oxygen and the gain of electrons. So this is just the definition for you. Now we are going to study how oxidation and reduction is in terms of oxygen transfer. So you can see this in the equation, ferric oxide and carbon monoxide has gone through the reaction and iron has lost the oxygen while carbon monoxide has gained oxygen and has been converted into carbon dioxide. So here you can see that in iron oxide reduction has taken place. How? Because the oxygen is lost, whereas in carbon monoxide because the oxygen is gained, so oxidation has taken place. In the next one you can see oxidation and reduction with respect to hydrogen transfer. In this equation, you can see ethanol can be oxidized to ethanol, right? CH3, CH2. In CH2, there is a loss of one hydrogen. So therefore, oxidation has taken place. In the next slide, you can see ethanol can be reduced back to ethanol by adding hydrogen. Here you can see in ethanol, hydrogen is added and it has been reduced back to ethanol. So here you can see how oxidation is the loss of hydrogen and reduction is the gain of hydrogen. I hope it's very clear to every one of you. In the last one you can see oxidation and reduction with respect to electrons transfer. This is the very important definition of oxidation and reduction, and you need to be very your concept should be very clear in this particular idea of oxidation and reduction. In the equation you can see there is a reaction between copper oxide and magnesium. Here you can see that the copper has lost 2 electrons and magnesium is in its free state. But after the reaction, copper has gained its 2 electrons and it has come to its free state, whereas magnesium has lost 2 electrons and has been converted into magnesium oxide. So the reduction is the gain of electrons, whereas the oxidation is the loss of electrons. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can find the oxidation state or oxidation number of the elements in the compounds. Please go watch that video in order to understand how you can find oxidation state in the elements, and I hope that video will be very helpful for you. I'll see you again with the next video. Till that, take very good care of yourself and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.